Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna do the video for the motor oil test run compare. So for the last video that we made for the RPM test, there's some people are having question about we are testing on our RPM checking machines, and even though we have all the numbers, everything is from the machines, but there's people still wondering about what is the exactly number that if it runs on the track. So I asked my friend to do it for us, so let's see what the video is like. Let's and go. Okay, so this is the track layout that we are going to use for our motor oil test run video, and this is the contact cleaner that we are using for cleaning our motors. And after that, of course, we're gonna test all the motor oil, same oil as the previous video that we had. And then, because we are doing the test run, so we're gonna check the voltage on each of the battery before we test it. And then we're gonna put it in the track and run for 3 laps and see what's the time, and gonna record it. Then on the setup that we have for the car, we're gonna put the pink brake at the front and to do the heavy brake and see what's the pickup speed is gonna be effect for each different motor oil. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's and go. Okay, so this is our motor oil test run compare video, and all the video, the result that we got is just for reference only. So if you have any question, and you can leave a question and comment at the bottom, I'll reply to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.